Pleasant night, Master Designers. On this episode of Master Designs, tonight we're going to draw Lord Nightmare, also known as Enemy, from Kirby Right Back At Ya. He is the final and main boss of Nightmare Enterprises, and is the true rival and main villain of Kirby Right Back At Ya. He's the one who came up with these ideas for all these monsters that Kirby and the others have fought in the past, including the Nightmare Enterprises customer service. He's possibly the one who created all the bad guys, like Plankton, and the PJ Masks' mortal enemies as well. Or maybe the Decepticons. Trust me, that'd be way scarier. As you can see, I already drew his visor. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Now we draw Enemy's robe. We drew the shoulder pads on his back. Here are the stars that are part of his robe. As you can see, they're more of star-shaped. Some of them are blended with his clothes. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play Lizard Machine by PJ Masks.
Lizard Machine by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
There he is. That's Lord Nightmare, also known as Enemy. Wow, he looks awesome. And I've got more like this on the way. Anyway, I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like your block and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later.